Okay, so now we're going to be looking at how you actually pay the bill once you've entered the bill into QuickBooks. And here from the dashboard of QuickBooks Online, I'm going to show you one way. It's right here on this Pay Bills. You could click on that. Also, from anywhere else, if you were in another one of these selections down here, you can always come up, hit the New button, and click Pay Bills. It's going to take you to the same spot. Now we see all of our bills that we have saved into QuickBooks. Okay, so we have 6 open bills, 4 overdue bills. Now your eyes probably see the bill down here for Lee Advertising that's due on October 6th for $8,000 for billboards. Now, one thing I do want to mention before we get to making that payment, right now it has the payment account being the MasterCard. So if we're going to pay that out of our checking, or savings, whichever account you're going to pay that out of, you're going to make that appropriate selection here, but we'll go ahead and do checking. Now, if you check the button here over in the left margin, it autofills $8,000, like you're going to pay the whole thing off. Let's say you were only going to pay $4,000 though. You can put $4,000 in. You can put $4,000. And I should not have clicked Schedule Payments Online. I actually want to hit Save. And once you save that, hopefully you saw that when I checked the box here, put in the 4,000. You can hit Save, or then in the very bottom right, you can do Save and Close, Save and Print, or Schedule Payments Online, which was that screen that I showed you on the previous version where you could actually arrange the payment using your credit card, debit card, or a bank ACH transfer. But that's going to actually mark now that those have been paid. So what we'll do now is we're going to go to, if we go to Expenses and look at Vendors, when this pulls up, actually with the expenses you can see here's the bill for $8,000, and here's what we have, the bill payment for $4,000 reflected there. So now if we go ahead and click through to Vendors, and then we go down to Lee Advertising, we'll see the open balance is $4,000. So we started with that $8,000 bill, we paid $4,000 of it, and now we're left with $4,000. So that's going to show you there. If we look at the reports, if we go, the profit and loss will not have changed because we already, as soon as we entered that bill, that's when we incurred the $8,000 expense under the accrual method. But the balance sheet now should be updated. We see as of September 7th. We have accounts payable at $5,602. And now we see we have the bill and the bill payment, both for Lee Advertising. And as I scroll this to the right, it'll show the $8,000 with the $4,000 payment there. So that is how you both schedule the payment, or how you can enter in a bill, and then we made sure that we are making a payment towards that. You could either schedule that online, or you could do something like a check. So that's what we showed you how to do there, the $4,000. And then you now see how this is affecting your financial reports and being reflected that you've paid down that amount that you owe. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you on the next one. Check us out at worldwidebookkeeping.com. Thank you.